Hi, it's Carrie Van Ice here at Barefoot Consultants, and in this edition of the newsletter, I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of how you present yourself as an English teacher, especially in the online market right now. Because of COVID-19, many people who were once teaching in classrooms are now looking to teach online, or many people who could potentially be out of work are seeing teaching online as a way that they might be able to earn an income from home. So it's more important now than it ever has been to differentiate yourself from others and be able to present your strengths as an English teacher. Not just your strengths within your career, and this is where I see a lot of people make a mistake when they go to create a tutor profile or apply for a position online, is that because we're so conditioned to be talking about ourselves in the context of the career that we had and how we were serving people up to now, we forget our audience. And your audience is in all likelihood somebody who is wanting to be working with you one-on-one if you're looking to set yourself up on a tutor site, or somebody who wants to hire you to teach either one-on-one or classes online. So your audience in this case becomes somebody who is looking to solve a problem. Their problem is they need to be able to practice speaking with a native English speaker in order to advance in their English knowledge, or their problem is they have an unfilled position and a teacher that they need to fill that position for their online school. So think about the problem that that person on the receiving end of either your bio or your application or your profile or wherever it might be, what is the problem that they're having, and then speak to that solution. This will keep you out of the old paradigm framework of, I have this experience, I've done this, I've helped people in the past like that. In some ways, this can be very helpful, but what you're asking the person to do is extrapolate from what you're telling them how you can solve their problem, instead of just diving right in and identifying their problem for them. They'll see it. When they read it, they'll be like, oh, that is exactly the problem that I've been having. This person clearly has the solution for me. So you want to think in that framework. Identify the problem you're solving, and it doesn't have to be that hard. It might just be practicing conversation with a native speaker. It might be brushing up on grammar, getting better at grammar. It might be accent reduction. It just might be having you correct my small mistakes. It could be something more in depth than that. It might be something related to an industry where I might be working or looking to work with needing the English language. So identify the problem that they're having and speak to that solution, that you offer the solution to that in your bio. And always make sure that there's more yous and yours in there than there are my's, me's, and my's. Remember, you do need to tell them something about yourself, but you want to tell it to them in the context of how you are going to be helping them. So keep these tips in mind when you go to create your bio so that you can differentiate yourself from other teachers or tutors who are out there that may not do this, that won't take that step. They're still in the old framework. They're still presenting themselves the way they've been taught for decades to do so. So when a student comes across your profile and you address their specific problem and provide them with a solution to it, all of a sudden you're standing out from everybody else. So it doesn't have to be that you're providing something that nobody else is providing. Not at all. You're probably providing something that many people on the platform are providing, but the way that you present that is your differentiator. It's the thing that tells me this person is for me. They're already thinking about me. Look at all the yous and the yours. They've addressed my specific problem. They're already on my team. It's almost like they're already helping me. That is the message that you want potential students or potential employers to think in their mind when they read your bio, your CV, your application of any kind. So I hope this has been helpful for you, And you can check out what more I have to say about this in this edition's article just below. And I will see you in next month's video.